Good morning, children. Welcome to the last session of linear equation in one variable. Today, let us study how to solve some more linear equations reducible to the linear form. Example 1. Solve x plus 1 the whole divided by 2x plus 3 is equal to 3 by 8. Observe that the equation is not a linear equation since the expression on its LHS is not linear. In this question, this LHS and RHS contain a single fraction. In such cases, we can cross multiply. That is 8 into x plus 1 is equal to 3 into 2x plus 3. Now we got an equation in the linear form which we know how to solve. We can multiply 8 to x plus 1 and 3 to 2x plus 3. 8 into x, 8x plus 8 into 1, 8 is equal to 3 into 2x is 6x plus 3 into 3, 9. Now, after solving, you will get the value of x as 1 by 2. The solution of this equation is 1 by 2. Now, let us discuss a word problem which can be expressed as an equation reducible to the linear form. Question is, present age of Anu and Raj are in the ratio 4:5. 8 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 5:6. Find their present ages. Here in this question, two ratios are given. Present age ratio and after 8 years also the ratio of their ages is given. In such cases, LHS and RHS we will get as a fraction. Let us frame the equation. For that, first of all, we can take, let the present age of Anu and Raj be 4x and 5x years respectively. After 8 years, automatically both of their ages will increase by 8. Therefore, after 8 years, Anu's age is equal to 4x plus 8 and Raj age will be 5x plus 8 years. And what is the condition given for framing the equation? After 8 years, the ratio of their ages will be 5:6. We know that ratio is same as a fraction. 5:6 is same as 5 by 6. Therefore, in that case, we can express the equation as 4x plus 8 by 5x plus 8 is equal to 5 by 6. Here also LHS and RHS are having single fractions. In such case, we can cross multiply, which implies 6 into 4x plus 8 is equal to 5 into 5x plus 8. By opening the bracket, you will get the linear form of the equation as 24x plus 48 is equal to 25x plus 40. We can transpose the variable in one side and we will get the value of x as 8. That is, the solution of this equation is 8. Therefore, Anu's present age is equal to 4x. 4 into 8 is equal to 32. And Raj's present age is equal to 5 into x is equal to 5 8s are 40 years. Now, let us move to exercise 2.6. Here, 1 to 5 questions are direct solving questions that you can do easily. by cross multiplication. We can convert them into linear form and we can solve it. And 6 and 7 word problem, you can do it yourself. Now let us discuss 7th question of exercise 2.6. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. If the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3 by 2. Find the rational number. Here in this question, it is explained about a rational number. Its relation between numerator and denominator of a rational number. It is given that denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. Therefore, we can choose the numerator as x. Let the numerator of the rational number be x. Therefore, the denominator is equal to x plus 8. Therefore, how can you write the rational number? Rational number numerator by denominator, that is x by x plus 8. That is our original rational number. Then some more conditions are given here for expressing the equation. If the numerator is increased by 17, that is x is going to increase by x plus 17, and the denominator is decreased by 1, that is x plus 8 is decreasing by 1, that is x plus 8 minus 1. Okay, this much changes while we are giving, the number obtained is 3 by 8. Therefore, the equation can be written as x plus 17 divided by x plus 8 minus 1 is equal to 3 by 2, which implies x plus 17 by x plus 7 is equal to 3 by 2. This is also contains LHS and RHS are having single fraction. In such cases, we can cross multiply. 2 into x plus 17 is equal to 3 into x plus 7. By opening the bracket, we will get 2 into x, 2x, plus 2 into 17, 34 is equal to 3 into x, 3x, plus 3 into 7, 21. By solving, you will get x as 13. Hence, the required rational number can be written as, our original rational number was x by x plus 8. Therefore, we will get the rational number as 13 by 21. Thank you.